Welcome to part 2 of your review for the 7.8 quiz. The length of a rectangular shaped park is 3x plus 5 miles. The width is 2x plus 8 miles. The area of the park is 360 square miles. What are the dimensions of the park? So in other words, what this is really asking us to do is I have to solve for x, then go back and plug into it. So when I look at this, it told me length, width, and area. So I know I'm going to be using my area formula. So area equals length times width. And I can go back and plug everything in. So 360 equals 3x plus 5 times 2x plus 8. Now, to solve this, I have to actually expand it, bring the 360 over, then factor it, and then use my zero product property. It seems like a lot of steps, but this is a lot like all the story problems that we've been doing in class. So 360 equals, to expand this, I'm going to go to my box method of multiplication. 3x plus 5, 2x plus 8. And this actually matches up. Since we were dealing with a rectangular shaped park anyways, this matches perfect. So 6x squared, 10x, 24x, and 40. So 6x squared plus these two combine to make 34x plus 40. Now to finish this off, I need to subtract 360 on both sides. So minus 360 minus 360. 0 equals 6x squared plus 34x minus 320. Now, in order to finish this out, this is now set up just like the problem up here, except a much more difficult one because the numbers are much bigger. So the first thing we always look for in order to solve, we have to factor and then zero product property. The first thing you do when you factor, pull out the GCF, the greatest common factor. Now, it looks like 6 works for all these, but let's double check. So we know 6 works there. 34 divided by 6. Nope, it didn't work there, so we can't pull out a 6. So now we could check 3. 34 divided by 3 didn't work there. So now it looks like only a 2 is going to work. So 34 divided by 2, and we're set. So now we're going to go 0 equals 2 outside of 3x squared plus 17x, and then 320 divided by 2 gives us 160. So minus 160. There are 2 ways you can finish this problem out. You can graph it. So you would look for your x-intercepts. I would divide both sides by 2. And now I'm at, excuse me while I work over here, 0 equals 3x squared plus 17x minus 160. So you can graph it, find your 2 x-intercepts, and only one of them is really going to make sense as a solution because only one of them will be positive. Or we can do it by hand. And if I'm going to do this by hand, I'm actually going to need some more paper. So we're still going to do this with AC method. AC method is top left box, 3x squared. Bottom right, negative 160. And I'm looking for the factors of 3 times 160, 480. So the factors of 480, negative 180 x squared, negative 480 x squared. So, and we want them to combine to make 17. We just start going through very quickly. 480 divided by 2. We know that won't work, but at least we're there. 1, 480, 2, 240, 480 divided by 3, 160. Not there, but we're getting closer, and this problem's almost out of time. I will come back and finish this one up.